Are you finally ready to start losing weight and begin your fitness journey? Listen, I know it can be intimidating and you might even be afraid that you can't do it or that you'll fail. But if you follow this simple process, there's no way to fail. And stick around to the end where I'll share with you how the next 5 days of your life could totally change how you view your diet and exercise. Stop putting it off and let's start your fitness journey today. Coming up. Hey guys, I'm Curtis Riley, aka Preach from The Real Rileys. Our goal is to give real advice for real life, and trust me, I made plenty of mistakes for you to learn from. We are one family with multiple channels. We've got a channel on ministry, on marriage, on faith, and online business, so check them out. But the purpose of this channel is to discuss real how-tos, real reviews, and real DIYs. And we also offer tons of online courses, personal coaching, and more. Make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button so that YouTube knows you're getting value from it. And as our free gift for stopping by, we've given you tons of choices. You can check out our PDF and mini courses on how to lose weight, how to play guitar, and how to build your own DIY projects. No matter where you are at, you can begin your fitness journey. And I'm gonna share with you, if you go, you can actually take this exact thing that I did and that I'm going to show you today, and you can lose. In 7 days, I lost 8 pounds. So, and actually it was like 5 days I lost 8 pounds, and then the last 2 days of the weekend I just kind of hung out at that same spot. So you can maybe even lose more weight. Proven you can actually do it. And you can go to www.therealrileys.com. and you can download your free PDF and mini course called The 5 Days of Fitness. I'm going to be going over that. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what that actually looks like behind the scenes. So we're scrolling through here, and what this is designed to be is really just a kickstart. It's really just to say, hey, let's get your fitness going. Here's what it looks like when you actually download it. It's not complicated, but it is awesome. So you're going to want to get that. One of the things me and my dad used to say all the time is, hey, one of these days we're going to start working out. If that's you, one of these days, today's the day. Download it. I'm going to show you. I'm giving you behind the scenes of what it actually looks like. Here's what the 5 Days of Fitness guide looks like. I made that just for you guys. I did it for myself, and it worked for me. Like I said, I lost 8 pounds or 7 pounds. No, it was 8 pounds in 7 days. So you can see here, day one, it says right here, you might not be able to read it, but it says workout. So you're just trying to work out. You're looking at 10 minutes. Again, this is just to get you going, just to get you rolling. You got to do something. I have a video that talks about the secret of getting in shape and losing weight. So you can check out that video on YouTube. And I talk about, it's about what you eat and it's about how much you move. That's in summary. And I explain it a little more in there. So go check it out. So number one, you'll see you got to work out, and you're going to say, okay, I'm doing it. Day one, I'm going to work out. And then you've got a note there to remember to eat healthy. And so you're just trying to be aware. Did I work out today? Just for 5 days, did I work out? And did I eat healthy? Or what did I eat? I'm not even giving you a list of food to follow. Like we know what healthy is. You know what healthy is. Just write out there. Did you eat healthy? You write some notes. Put what time you worked out, because you'll find out real quick what times work for you and what times don't. I know the exact time that if I don't work out, I'm probably not going to work out the rest of the day. And then check that off once you've done your workout. And once you have said, hey, I've tried to eat healthy, check that off as well. And you'll be able to see, again, this is 5 days. Anyone can do this. Anyone can do this. It's your start to getting fit. Hey, can I stop you right there? And will you please like this video and subscribe to our channel? That helps support us so that we can continue making videos just like this. I have other courses that if you're like, man, I want to get in more shape, those are for you. But this is super simple and it's free. Why not do it? Why not try it? It worked for me. So yeah, a couple examples on here is like push-ups, pull-ups, sit-ups. Like you don't have to it's not rocket science, right? You don't have to come up with oh, I've got to just do something. Just do some type of workout. Shoot me a message and I'll say, hey, here's some of the things that I do. Do some push-ups, do some pull-ups, 10 minutes, minimum 10 minutes. Day two, you're looking at cardio, 10 to 30 minutes. And I'm not talking about killing yourself. I'm saying do some cardio where you could just say, hey, I'm going to walk around the block. Awesome. Just do something for 10 minutes. Run, walk, do an elliptical, ride your bike, play a sport, do something. that gets you moving for the day. You worked out one day, now you're going to do some type of cardio. And again, remember to eat healthy. Write down what time, write down any notes, and then check off, hey, it's complete. I've done that. Day 3 is a repeat of day 1. You're going to work out, eat healthy. Day 2, you're going to do day 4, you're going to do cardio. So you're back, excuse me, back to the cardio, and then you're going to remember to eat healthy. And then number 5, day 5, you're going to work out, and you're going to remember to eat healthy. It's not hard. It's so total. I'm literally talking about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Type in the chat 10 minutes. Just say 10 minutes. Like, you got 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I'm going to move for 10 minutes every day, and I'm going to start trying to eat healthy. I'm not even defining what that is or what that looks like. And then eventually at the end of day 5, hey, it might take you a week. It might take you 2 weeks, but get this 5 days done. However long it takes, don't give up. But then check this off and say, yes, you did it. Feel that completion of saying, I did it. I did my 5 days. I completed it. And you'll love it. Check out our online course called Fight the Fat. I'm talking 20 minutes, 3 times a week. And it's only the most enjoyable and effective workouts. Just go to therealrileys.com. A couple things too, when you finish this, because it is like super beneficial to finish this if you do finish it. And you can do it 10 minutes a day. Anyone can do it. You can start your journey to getting in shape and getting fit. And look at me, like, I'm not jacked, but I'm also not fat, right? So if you want to start your fitness journey, that's the goal here, is like something that's realistic that you can actually do and that you will actually do. This is it. This is for you guys. And what will happen is there's a couple things, but one of the things for me that I saw is that you'll start to be aware of what you're eating. You can see my cabinets, in my kitchen, if depending on what angle you're looking at, but like I noticed really quick when I was doing this 5 days of fitness, and I'm like trying to remember, trying to track everything, trying to look at it. And again, I went extreme on mine. I was like, I'm only going to eat healthy, and I can show you what that looks like as well. But I'm only going to eat healthy. I'm going to do that. I went to the extreme, and I find myself like literally, I would just walk over to the cabinet, like because I was bored, and I'm like, I got to eat a snack. I got to eat some, or I'm just like craving sugar, or I'm craving candy. And what this 5 days of fitness will do, it's not like a magic formula, right? And it's not going to, it can make a difference and you can lose weight, but it's about being in shape and being fit, and health and wellness is a lifestyle more so than a program, or more than like a 5 days, right? The point of the 5 days of fitness is to help you realize what your lifestyle is and to jumpstart you and get you started on a different lifestyle. And so it'll make you realize, like, real quick, like, oh man, like I sit down and I ate a bag of chips, and I do that every night and I didn't even realize it. I just ate a gallon of ice cream, right? And you're like, you don't even realize you do that. So 5 days of fitness, download that. That'll help you start to realize what you're doing, what kind of habits you have. You might even realize, like, hey, I don't eat healthy at all, and I thought I did. And then the other thing too is if you'll start to realize too, like, what kind of activities you do. One thing that I've noticed is that I can skip multiple days. I might even go a whole week without exercising. I don't even notice it. I just get busy with life. I get busy with work. I get busy with kids, family, church, whatever it is. You get so busy, and a week will go by and you didn't work out at all and you didn't even notice it, right? So this will help you realize, wait a minute, I am not that active, right? So these are the 2 main ingredients to getting in shape or staying healthy, or getting healthy, starting to lose weight. These are the 2 main ingredients: making sure you're moving, making sure you're thinking about what you're eating and starting to eat healthy. So now it's time to get real. Comment below, what's the #1 obstacle that keeps you from starting your fitness journey? And if you have more questions, check out one of our online communities where you can ask questions, be encouraged, and your question might even be in the next live Q&A. Check out some of our other videos, like how to get in shape and stay in shape, or branch off into one of our other channels and learn how to start your own online business. I hope this video was helpful for you, but until next time, keep it real.